In today's video, I'm going to teach you creating a blog page in WordPress using Elementor. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. First, we'll get Elementor set up. In your WordPress dashboard, head to Plugins, then Add New. In the search bar, type Elementor, click Install Now, and then Activate. This gives you the visual editor you'll use to design your blog page without touching code. Next, create the page that will become your blog. Go to Pages and select Add New. Give it a clear title like blog or latest articles so visitors know exactly what it is. Click Publish to make the page available, even if it's not linked on your site yet. Now open that page in the Elementor editor by clicking Edit with Elementor. The editor will launch, showing a live preview of your page alongside the panel of widgets and settings you'll use to design. You have two ways to build the layout. If you want a quick start, open the Elementor template library and choose a pre-designed blog or archive style layout, then customize it. If you prefer full control, build from scratch. If you have Elementor Pro or a compatible add-on, drag in a Posts widget. This widget automatically pulls in your latest posts and lets you choose between grid, list, or carousel layouts, control how many posts appear, filter by categories, tags, or author, and style titles, excerpts, images, and metadata to match your brand. You can also enable pagination if you want to limit the number of posts per page. If you're using the free version of Elementor without a posts widget, you can still create a manual layout. Build a grid or list using containers, add images and headings for each post, and link each element to the corresponding blog post. This takes more time and maintenance, but it's a workable option for a curated list. When your design looks good, click Publish or Update in Elementor. To make WordPress treat this page as your blog index, go back to your dashboard and open Settings, then Reading. Under your homepage displays, choose a static page. In the Posts page dropdown, select the page you just created. Depending on your theme, WordPress may control parts of the blog index. If your design doesn't appear as expected, you may need to adjust theme settings or refine your Elementor layout. Finally, make your blog easy to find. Go to Appearance, then Menus, add your new blog page to your main menu, and save. Preview your site on desktop, tablet, and mobile using Elementor's responsive tools, and you're done. Your WordPress blog page, powered by Elementor, is live and ready for readers. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.